public through our good people, the media, your sons and daughters. Chairman, nendo twala omukisa guno okukwaniriza okutuusa obubaka bwaffe.
13th September 2023, His Majesty William Wilberforce Gabla Nadiope IV, the Kyabazinga of Busoga, appointed a central organizing committee to prepare the Busoga royal wedding, Embaga ya mwenemu. Over the last 10 weeks, we carried out this assignment, culminating into the Busoga royal wedding, which took place on Saturday, 18th November 2023. We want to thank His Majesty for entrusting us with this noble assignment, and we want to thank the Akakiiko of Busoga Kingdom, Owekitiibwa Dr. Joseph Muvawala Nsekere, for the support given to this organizing committee. The Central Organizing Committee would like to congratulate His Majesty William Wilberforce Gabla Nadiope IV and Her Royal Highness Jovia Mutesi, the Inebantu, on holding such a successful wedding ceremony. We wish His Majesty and Her Royal Highness a wonderful marriage. As members of the Central Organizing Committee and as subjects of Busoga Kingdom, we pledge our continued support to His Majesty and Her Royal Highness and the Kingdom. The Central Organizing Committee would like to thank everyone who supported us during the preparations of the Busoga royal wedding, Embaga ya mwenemu. Special thanks go to His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, and the entire government. His Grace the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, His Grace Dr. Kazimba Mugalu, and the entire Interreligious Council. The Central Organizing Committee had subcommittees, and we would like to thank those subcommittees, corporate partners, government agencies, cultural and traditional institutions, the media, service providers to the event, the security agencies, the Busoga in Uganda and the diaspora, friends of Busoga, and the general public who offered both financial and in-kind support to the success of this historic event. The Central Organizing Committee also is finalizing reconciliation of all financial and material support that we received, and a detailed list shall be shared to the general public within the coming days. As the Central Organizing Committee, we would like to thank all the Busoga and the entire country for the enthusiasm and love exhibited during the celebrations. We associate with all people that were faced with any challenge during the celebrations and for which our thoughts and prayers go to. As earlier communicated, the royal wedding, Embaga ya mwenemu, is the beginning of a new chapter for Busoga region, and leadership of the kingdom shall be coming out with a comprehensive brief on the next course of action for the next 100 days. It has been an honor working with each and every one of you, and given the opportunity, I would choose the same winning team, including the members of the media. Afumvuwe sebantu Busoga okwesanya na amani. Yours faithfully, Engineer Patrick Batumbia, Chairman.
Amala dakiika 5 namba nga bakanoonyako omuntu ng'ezira. Ebyawandikibwa byafayilingibwa mu kooti twabiboine aye nga we bibaire throughout bibaire biri kwesigama ku nsonga eddayigalwa era Director of Public Prosecutions DPP we yaboine nga bali kwiwula amawolu yakoba ati amawolu bagali yakumbaga. So Director Public Prosecutions yagemye mukulu Male Mabirizi byabaire atayire mu kooti yabiringa mu nga amateeka we gamulagira kubanga nalina obuyinza ku criminal prosecutions dona yabona ng'ensonga Male Mabirizi dali kwogeraku dayigalwaira ne government ya UK yawandikira Uganda yawandikira Archbishop yawandikira obwa Kyabazinga ng'ebakoba nti bino ebyogerwaku bizirayo mu records daibwe. So omusango DPP yakutekinza over era bajja kuguziika nga ebifuwe bikolebwa. So we saw a communication that was filed in court by Mr. Male Mabirizi as part of his routine. However, the government agencies, in particular the office of the DPP, which is concerned with criminal prosecutions, got interested in the matter, and upon perusal, it saw that Mr. Male Mabirizi was raising issues that had been conclusively handled by the Church of Uganda that had communicated to the UK and gotten a report that there is nothing like a marriage that had been in existence, alongside several other reports. So as mandated under Article 120 of the Constitution and Section 43 of the Magistrates Courts Act, the DPP took over the conduct of those prosecutions and is closing the same because there is no basis for any court claim. So as we speak, there is nothing. What is there is honeymoon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Media.